If you want to take your photos and videos to the next level, the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus makes it super easy. From quick touch-ups to full creative edits, this phone has everything you need to make your content stand out. So, let me show you how it all works. So, if you choose a photo, you'll see a pen icon at the bottom. That's your edit menu. Tap it and you'll get all your editing options. First, you can crop or resize your photo however you like. Then add a filter and tweak it fully, like adjust strength, color temperature, contrast, saturation, and film grain. Next, there are tons of options to enhance your photo or video, like brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition. Use them depending on your photo. Not everyone likes filters, so this is perfect if you want to work directly on the image itself. Now comes the creative part. You can draw, highlight, or blur anything, which is really handy. Add stickers or text to make it more personal, and here's something amazing. You can adjust shadows or reflections or cut out objects from your photo. One of the standout features is spot color. Pick any color you want and only that color will show, making your photo pop instantly. You can even highlight a specific color to draw attention to a detail and give your photo a unique professional look. And here's where the new Galaxy S26 Ultra AI tools take editing to the next level. You can erase parts of your photo, move elements, or even create something completely new just by describing it in words. You can also generate stickers directly from your images or transform your photo in different styles like 3D tone, retro anime, pop art, and more. You can preview, tweak, and when it's perfect, just hit Save Copy. The same tools work on videos too. All your filters, adjustments, text, stickers, and AI effects can be applied frame by frame. Plus, on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, even fine-tune audio right inside the editing panel. Quick, smooth, and super easy. That's it. This is a real game changer for anyone who loves creating content on the go. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.